Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. We are revising Lycopodium clavatum and this is part 6 in continuation. And we are going to deal today with MCQ review. The text is taken up from UPSC and major referencing will be from Allen's keynote. The first MCQ in the series is match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer giving the code given below the list. We have list 1 medicine and list 2 keynotes. Under list medicine, we find number 1 medicine camphora, second calophyllum, third Thuja occidentalis, and fourth is the Lycopodium clavatum. On the right side, list 2 keynotes denote Leucorrhea preventing pregnancy, sequelae of measles, coition prevented by extreme sensitiveness of vagina, and fourth one is coition prevented by extreme dryness of vagina. So answer code is A, B, C and D. We have these 4 answer codes and the answer is A, which deals with A2, B1, C3 and D4. Let us see what is the correct match we have. The camphora corresponds with sequelae of measles. Calophyllum corresponds to Leucorrhea preventing pregnancy. Thuja corresponds to coition prevented by extreme sensitiveness of vagina. And last is the Lycopodium, which corresponds to coition prevented by extreme dryness of vagina. Let us go to the next question. It tells us to find the correct order, sequence of medicines to be prescribed. The first is sulfur calcarea lycopodium. Second order is calcarea sulfur lycopodium. Third is lycopodium calcarea and sulfur. Fourth being sulfur lycopodium and calcarea. The answer is A. The correct sequence is Lycopodium, calcarea and sulfur. First sulfur, then calcarea and then Lycopodium, that is the order. And sulfur again can be given as it follows the Lycopodium well. The reference is from Kent Materia Medica. Now the next question in series is third. Find the odd pair out. Tuberculinum is cosmopolitan, Lycopodium greedy, causticum selfish, aurum metallicum melancholic. So odd pair out is the C. Causticum is not selfish. Recall, we will see cosmopolitan, see travel desire for tuberculinum is 3 plus. Correct. Greedy Lycopodium, yes, this is also correct. Selfish, calcarea, madurinum, platina, pulsa, tilla, sulfur and veratrum. We do not have the causticum here. And melancholic is aurum metallicum, which is 3 plus. This text is taken from synthesis. Let us see the next question. Renal colic with pain in a small of back before micturition and ceases after the flow. We have four variables: berberis, Lycopodium, pulsatilla, and Nux vomica. The answer is B. We are settling for Lycopodium, and because the above features they are pointed to Lycopodium, and if we see the Lycopodium, see urine pain in back before urinating ceases after the flow, and the reference is boric materia medica. Let us go to the fifth question in series. A 26 years old man has premature graying of hairs. He remains under constant mental strain. Which one of the following is the likely remedy for him? There are variables: Calcarea floricum, Calcarea phosphoricum, Lycopodium clavatum, and Calcarea sulphureticum. We are settling for answer C, which is Lycopodium. And let us recall, Lycopodium patient is having low self-confidence and he is prone for anxiety and stress-related problems. He dreads to be alone, having pale complexion, looks older than what he is. These are the important features of Lycopodium. Next MCQ is, consider the following. Ravenous hunger at 11 a.m. seen in number 1 sulfur, number 2 zincum metallicum, number 3 cuprum metallicum, number 4 lycopodium. The correct choice is 1 and 2, and that is zincum metallicum. If you see the text, zincum metallicum, hunger ravenous about 11 or 12 a.m., and in bracket there is sulfur also corresponds to this symptom, and this symptom is given in Allen's keynote. So here the variables, if you'll see the variables, you will find where you should have number 2 zincum metallicum, it is wrongly printed here number 3. So read it number 2, and number 3 is cuprum metallicum, number 4 is lycopodium. Let us go to the next question. Seventh question is, what is the common name for the drug Lycopodium clavatum? We have variables: foxglove, club moss, broom, daffodil. So answer is B. Let us recall, Lycopodium clavatum is having common name like wolf's foot and club moss. Reference from Allen's keynote. Next question is, impotency with relaxed penis with sexual desire and excitement is found in all except caladium, lycopodium, selenium, and cantharis. The answer is D. Recall caladium. Impotency with mental depression, relaxed penis with sexual desire and excitement, lycopodium and selenium. No erection even after carcass, no emission, no organism during an embrace. So this is what we find. The cantharis is odd drug here. The reference is from Allen's keynote. Thank you. Thank you very much for patient listening.